I think Hitesh, you talked about the user experience, right? I think mobile, I find you are playing with a lot of constraints, okay? Constraints of size, constraint of space, okay? And it can't take more than a couple of minutes to really download. So you need to keep it small, and you have to show whatever that you want to really give to the customer within that stipulated space. You have got a very small real estate to really play around. So can you really get this at the first go? Can you really get all these things within this constraint, the right product at the first go? Impossible. You have to experiment. You have to adjust the design. You need to adjust all along the way in terms of the features, how it should be used. Okay. So you need a kind of an experimentation model, which is the agile sprint model. Every sprint you experiment and try to incorporate this one. Second, as the name says, user experience. User experience cannot be ever put it on a piece of paper very well. It needs to be experienced by the user, then only he's going to give you a kind of a feedback. Okay. We were building a kind of facility management iPad app. It was mainly being used by all these plumbers, electricians, carpenters, and those kind of people. So when we are building, we never knew whether they would be at the conditions under which they are working, whether the tap functionality would work, a tap and hold, or the swipe functionality, device specific actions, which one would work best for you. They cannot express them on a piece of paper because they never used an iPad. You need to show to them, you get the feedback, and then incorporate it. Okay, so that's one important in terms of really coming out with a very good user experience. You need to involve customer much early. Okay, and ask them to play around. I think I like the idea about putting a kind of a fast prototype, show to the client, and they start experimenting. You also showed an example also, right? You can start using it also just to get a kind of a feeling.